In this video, I'll be showing you how to set a reminder in Outlook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, you can set a reminder for a calendar appointment or meeting very easily. So what you want to go ahead and do is launch your Outlook application, or of course you can do this on the browser version as well. Then click on the calendar icon in the navigation strip, and it's going to be right there for me. Now, all I want to go ahead and do is double click the specific date or existing event on your calendar. So let's just say I chose the 11th right there. And then all I got to go ahead and do is I see a lot of different options here, but what I can go ahead and do is make a new event. So I'm going to name the event. I can add a title. I can, add attendees. So I can just do literally myself if that's all I want to do as a reminder. Then I can use the exact date and time. So let's say I want to do this Thursday. I can choose the time and everything like that. If it's not a team meeting, it's fine. But then just, you can title it anything you want, like so. And then if it's like a weekly thing or anything like that, you can name it a series as well. So it would occur like every week at a certain point if you ever want to. But then all you got to go ahead and do is press send, and then it's going to send that reminder. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.